We are with another topic that is called as acceleration due to gravity. What is acceleration due to gravity? Simply the acceleration felt by a body, experienced by a body due to gravitational force of Earth. The acceleration experienced experienced by a body due to gravitational force of Earth, due to gravitational force of Earth is known as acceleration due to gravity. Due to gravity. And in order to derive an expression for this very acceleration due to gravity, we consider this as we will find out the acceleration due to gravity. Gravity is the force of traction between any body and the Earth. So let's consider Earth of mass m, and on that way Earth, which is this is the center of Earth, and it is having a radius of r, and this is some mass on the surface of Earth. Then there will be a force of gravitation between this very Earth of mass m and this very small mass m, and that is given by F equals to what? G mm by r square. This is the force of gravitation between Earth and this mass. So F equals to G mm over r square, where m is the mass of Earth and small m is the mass of body and r is the radius of Earth. Now, because of this very force, this very gravitational force, there will be the acceleration achieved by this very mass m. So, because of this force, acceleration experienced by body of mass m is given by F equals to m into a, the Newton's second law. But instead of a, we are having here acceleration g, so which implies F equals to m into g, or which we can say g equals to F over m. This is the acceleration that is achieved by the body because of this very Earth. So instead of F, we will use that very force, then it will be simply G m by m r square. This m and m is going to leave, and we're having G equals to what? G m by r square. So this is the expression for acceleration due to gravity. Now acceleration due to gravity depends upon the mass of planet. This G depends upon what? It depends upon mass of planet. Secondly, it depends upon what? Radius of planet. So whether we are having an elephant or an ant, once they are going to fall under the effect of gravity, when they are going to fall, both will have same acceleration. So in acceleration due to gravity, what we have to understand? We have to understand when a body falls, it falls under the effect of gravity, and there is only one force acting on it, that is the gravitational force. And because of that very gravitational force, there will be an acceleration attained by the body. Whether the body is heavier or lighter, it doesn't depend upon the mass of the body. Independent. Here you have to right? One another thing, it is independent upon mass of body. It's independent upon the mass of body. So whether we are having a heavier body or lighter body, the acceleration in both the bodies is going to be same when they are falling on earth, towards the earth. And this acceleration due to gravity, once the body falls, then we have to neglect what you will see, that will be under a free fall. There will be only the force, and that force will be which one? That will be the force of earth. And once you are going to calculate the value for this very g, we know the mass of earth, m, mass of earth is how much? That is 5.98, or that is nearly equal to what? 6 6 into 10 raised power 24 kg. This is the mass of earth. Talking about the radius is 6400 kilometer, or you will say it is 6.4 into 10 raised power 6 meter. Once we will use these values in this very equation, we will get what? We will get, and g, as we know, that is 6.67, then we will get g equals to 9.8 meter per second square. This is the value for acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth. So whenever a body falls under the effect of gravity, they are having an acceleration of 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. And this acceleration due to gravity is independent upon the mass of the body. So we have to remember, this is the value of acceleration due to gravity. This is all for today. Tomorrow we'll be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.